Having taken a short break since our awesome giveaway, it's build tour time again, and this week we have a real treat. A Fury-17 which has been custom painted in Utopia Metallics Porsche White. All our metallic systems are hand sprayed using the same process and paint that prestige cars undergo. So the end result is a simply stunning finish which we will get to see more closely once we finish watching this system boot into Windows. Our paint is available in various colours, including the ability to match anything you desire. Orders requests so far? The client who asked us to match the colour of his laptop to his trainers. On the left side of the laptop you will see USB 3 ports, USB Type-C, display ports, HDMI as well as power. On the right side of the Fury you'll see a Kensington lock, Ethernet, more USB 3, card reader and audio ports. Finally, at the rear we have air ventilation slots for internal hardware. Inside of the laptop we have a 2TB Seagate BarraCuda, 32GB Kingston HyperX RAM, 1TB Samsung 960 Pro M.2 and killer Wi-Fi. Underneath the impressive heatsinks we have Grizzly Cryonoc thermal paste helping cool an Intel i7 7700HQ and NVIDIA GTX 1070. The keyboard is fully backlit and customizable RGB, so you can go plain white or all the way to strobing RGB should that be your thing. Now we've had a close look at this Fury-17, let's run a stress test. As I've mentioned in other videos, a complete series of tests can take up to 72 hours to complete. Full details of our extensive testing process can be found on the blog linked below. For the purpose of this video, let's run superposition for one loop. We've sped this portion of the video up to keep things interesting, but as you can see, this system is indeed ready to be carefully packaged and sent on to its new owner. That's all for this video, thanks for watching, we'll see you on the next one. If you like this build then go and give it a like, feel free to comment, and of course hit that sub button for more videos from your favourite system builder, Utopia. Till next time.